So hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. I have to put link this platform on the description, and here you can check this platform name is the Trollercat. So if you are visiting first time on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. So now we are start to video. So first of all you can check like this type of interface Trollercat and Presale like now. So you can buy easily, and here is the Presale that Presale. So here you can buy, and now I will show you. So Presale is stage 3 and was utilized 3 days, 13 hours and 58 minutes and some seconds. One ticket, and here you can check the amount of this cat. So here is you can exchange step for BTH, VSC and race and mathematics and BTC and so on. So you can convert your site, and here you can purchase your site. So I have to put here the sum amount, as you can check. Here I have to put 110 BTH, and here you can get the package. So here I can add this, so you can get the ticket point, and easily you can, here you can check the referral, and now I will show you how to connect. So first of all you can connect here in my desktop. So you can check connect and transaction and how to buy and Presale FAQ and connect now. Stay in the loop. So here you can check like this type of interface, and now I will show you how to connect. So first of all you need to tap the connect option, and here is the some wallets, connect to wallet. So you can select the MetaMask and wallet connection and Coinbase. So we can select the MetaMask also. So you can tap the MetaMask, and here you can fill your address, and after I fill the password you can check, here is the connection. So you can connect easily, and after the connect you can check my desktop. This is my desktop, and you need to spend 25 to unlock raffle. So if I spend $35, then we can start the raffle. So here is our raffle and connect also. I have to connect also, I have to explain. So easily you can connect and get your refer also, and here is the code also you can get, and here is the desktop option, and here is the blocks also. So you can check the blocks. So the block where Chesu gets 2 documents. So Presale is live. So here you can check, here is the white paper and staking also. So here is the white papers. So you can read these details. Here is the some details you can read easily. There is the many more pictures you can check here, and here you can read this detail about this platform and stage 3. There is a very beautiful pictures in this platform. There is the total 102 pictures, and now I will show the stacking. So here you can stacking yourself. Here you can buy easily. So here you can wait for 3 days and 13 hours 54 minutes and 21 seconds, and easily you can connect and staking by paper how to buy. So easily you can buy, set up in the non-custodial wallet, load up with any crypto to accept. So easily you can stay updated. Here is the Telegram also and Twitter. So now I will show the Twitter account. So here you tap the Twitter and you can follow them. So I have to follow, and easily you can follow, and here is the Telegram channel also. So you can join the Telegram, and here you can find the details. Here is the some network issue, you can wait for this time, and and here you can check some groups, and here you can join their group, and here's the admin also, you can chat to them. And now we are go back, and after go back you can check. Now I will show you how to buy it. So this is why you can get 5 for count, you can check the count also. So I hope you understand very well, so take care and next video.